Hello viewers, in this today's tutorial we'll be learning about data manipulation language. In the past first tutorial we learned about this data definition language. I have also created a tutorial for this data definition language where we learned how to create a database, how to create table, and use all these three commands that you are seeing on the screen. And in this today's tutorial we'll be learning how to use this insert, update and delete commands. In the past exercises we have created a database called assignment, and we have created two tables, category and student, and we can see in this table that this table is empty because we have not added the value yet. So in this today's tutorial we will be adding the values in these columns by using this insert command, and we will also be learning how to update the value once they are filled, and we will also learn how to delete the record. So these are the basic things, overall things that today in this tutorial we will be learning. So without any further delay, let's get started. So basically we can see here, let's first add value in this category table. In this category table we can see two fields, one with assignment number with integer and another with topic. Means in the past tutorial I also told you that I am giving a kind of assignment to my students, which will have a different number of assignments, 1 2 3 4 in the assignment number section, and will be related to different kind of topics. Topics may be related to map design or related to database or other kind of things under GIS subject. So now I will be populating this, I will be adding the values in this table. So for this I will be using a code, and first I will be copying this code and later I will explain everything. So first just left click this category, then we need to go to this query tool, and now I will be pressing simply here Ctrl V. Now first let me explain few things here. First let us do one thing. So first let's say now I'll be explaining you how this code actually works. Insert into this insert is the main command which is responsible for adding values in this table category. Category is the table where we are inserting the values, and the values are two kind of values we can see. One is this integer kind of thing, and another is character kind of thing. Because if you left click this option here, we can if you click this drop down, we can see here is one is assignment number and another is topic. Assignment number had got integer int data type. So int data type means these are the numbers, so accordingly we will give here number. Suppose let's say this is 1, and now we need to give another, this is topic and it is related to bar chart. So we need to give here a kind of character, and this character let's say its name is map design. So accordingly now what I will be doing here is, now I will be creating this 2, because I want to make one column unique, because it will act like a primary key for the table. So 1 2 3 4 these values are fine, and now I will be adding one more thing here. Let's its topic be, let it be digitization. So basically what we can understand from this is, here will be we will be adding 5 rows, or let's say 5 records, and that will have the first, and our output will be this assignment number 1, and its corresponding topic will be map design, and likewise 2 will have its corresponding topic digitization, and likewise the things will go on. And here in this code we need to understand the most important thing is this values. This values is responsible, this values is the code, and by using it we are adding these actual values. And don't forget to give this this column, because if you want to give this column, then it will show kind of error. If you don't give this colon, it does not matter, but it's the ending of the statement, so we are adding the semicolon. But if you won't give this colon here, then code will not run. We can just check it here. Now it's saying that in feature selection there is a kind of syntax error at near line 7. It's saying, but line 7 means because we have not given here that colon, so that it's showing us error, because now I have given colon here. Now it won't show this error. Let's again execute this query. Now you can see that the query has run successfully. Okay, now basically we need to see these all values filled under this category table. Now let's see. I will be clicking this, just left click this category and just go to this view data section, just left click it, and now we can see here assignment number has got assignment number that we had filled previously, 1 2 3 4. One was map design, 2 was digitization, 3 special database, and likely all values have been successfully added into this category table. So this is the basic concept how this insert command actually works. It actually creates a record. Record means it creates a row. Now we can see here 5 rows have been created. So this is the basic concept, very basic concept. This is how that insert command works. Now I also want to show you one thing, that here we can see two kind of data type. One is integer, one is varchar. Now I just want to explain you that suppose if you want give here integer kind of data type, then what will happen. So this is the thing that I will be showing you. So for that again I will be adding one, I'll be trying to add one record. Let's see. First again execute this query, and I will be again using the same code, but before that okay, this is fine. Okay, in the past we have got we had 5 rows. Now we'll be adding one more row. So basic concept is the same. Insert into, this is the code. What we are going to insert, we are going to insert the values into this category table, and now we are expected to use an integer here. At first we are expected to use an integer here because we have assigned the int kind of data type. And you may wonder that if you want to use that int kind of data type, then what will happen. Now I will show here what will happen. Suppose you said here xyz, instead of giving that int number. Suppose it should have been given 6, but you didn't give it. Now what will happen? And now you wanted to run the query. Now I won't be using this this colon because it's the int. But actually you can use the semicolon. One more thing that I want to see here, you need to use this colon if you have multiple values, because here you can see I had got the 3 values, means this is the first value, then you need to give this colon, then after this value add another colon, then at final value for the last value you don't need to add that colon. So this is my first and last colon, so I won't be required to use this. So basically I can leave this empty as well, but I will be keeping this. Now let's see whether this query will be executed or not. Now you can see that it's saying that invalid input syntax for type integer. So it is expecting here one integer like number, so you can't add this kind of other kind of data type beyond which you have assigned here. You have assigned here int, and you can't add other kind of data type. Okay, then let us assign here 6. Now this will be the assignment number 6, and other thing here will be varchar. Let's say this assignment number 6 is related to RDBMS, let's say. Now what will happen? And one more thing that I want to mention here, this varchar that we have used here, it can be a number, it can be a blank space, it can be anything, so that don't think that so it can be anything. You need to remember like that. So let's say rdbms, and now let's try to execute our query. Now it's saying that execute query has run successfully. Now let's go and check our query, our table. Now you can see here the another column, another record has been added with the assignment number 6, and respective topic is rdbms. So this is how this insert command actually works. Now I want to modify some record. Let's say I want to update. Now how you want to update? Let's say now I want to update a section that I will be saying here. Let's say instead of this special database, I want to add a topic called Postgresql. Under Postgresql, I want to edit this special database as Postgresql. Now how can I edit this? How can I modify this record? So it's quite straightforward. So for this, now I will be again using a code here. Now let's say I will be pressing Ctrl C here, and I will be pressing Ctrl V here. But before that, we need to understand one thing, that I want to edit a special database, which is the topic, and this its corresponding respective assignment number is 3. This is what you need to understand. Okay, 3. Okay, now let's go again. Let's click here under this table category. Now go to this query tool, and now we'll be adding. Now I'll be pressing simply Ctrl V, and now so now I want to do some kind of modification. Now I'll be writing here select topic. First I will be editing this code, and then I will expressing everything. Assignment number is 3 that I had told you previously. Assignment number. Now let's see. First let us understand this code. Update. This is the command which is responsible to update the row. What it will update? It will update this category table, name of the table. Category is the table that we want to update. And what was the topic that you want to add now? I want to change this topic field name, one of the record of topic, into PostgreSQL, of which respective assignment number 3. So here the most important thing is where assignment number equal to 3. I wanted to update a table whose name is update category, and under this category I want to set topic. This is the topic as PostgreSQL, and whose corresponding assignment number is 3. Where is the most important clause here, where assignment number equal to 3. So basically what this will do is this will change that past special database topic into the PostgreSQL which had assignment number 3. So on doing this, now let's execute this query. Now you can see here. Now again let's go here. Now let's view our data. Assignment number 3. And now we can see here one thing. Assignment number 3. It's showing us here PostgreSQL. So now we can see here one thing, that assignment number has been changed and it has come in the form of PostgreSQL. So 1, 2, 3 it has come here, but actually this 3 should have come under this section, and this assignment number has not come into this ascending order. You can later select this into ascending order as per your wish as well, but the basic thing that you need to understand here, the things that we had done previously, we are successful to change it. So now for this assignment number 3, respective assignment number 3 has got a new topic whose name is PostgreSQL. So this is how actually we update the table. So this is the basic concept for updating the table. Another concept, and that concept is about deleting the records. Suppose now we have added the last record is rdbms, and I want to delete this record. That means I won't be giving assignment to my students under this topic rdbms. Now what to do? How can I delete this record? It's quite similar to what we have done in the just before in the past using update. So for this it's quite simple. You need to understand assignment number means 6 and topic is rdbms. Okay, let's go to this category table and let's go to the query tool, and now we'll be using a very straightforward code, and that is, and now I will be deleting assignment number 6. So now let's see how this works. Delete is the main command that we need to understand. This is the delete command, and what delete will do, delete from category. From this category table something will be deleted. What? Where assignment number equal to 6. Assignment number equal to 6. So 6, that record whose assignment number is 6 will be deleted from here. What I want to say to my viewers is that you need to make sure that this what command you are using, this table name category, what you are writing here should be exactly same as this one, because if there will be any kind of spelling mistake, then the code won't be run, because now you can see here it's asking this category does not exist. So make sure that you use the proper spelling. And even here field name, suppose you missed here suppose like let's say you give like this, and now you try to execute, then this won't be working. It says assignment does not exist. So make sure what kind of things you are using here, it is exactly is the field names or the name of table that you have created. So make sure of that thing. Now if everything is fine here, if you will press this run query, what will happen? Now we can see something here. Now let's again go here and view our data, and we can see that number 6, assignment number 6, I can't see any assignment number 6 here, so it has been deleted. So actually this is how whole thing works. Again, let us suppose that you want to delete whole record. You want to delete all the records present in this category table. Now how to do that? You want to delete all these 5 records, suppose. Then how can you do this? So to do this, it's quite simple. You again go to this query tool, and now again what you do is you simply now have to do only one thing. You need to do this. We'll be deleting from category, means from category everything will be deleted, because since you have not specified anything here like from which where assignment number equal to something or topic equal to something. So everything will be deleted from this category table, and I will be executing this now. Just left click this. Now you can see. Now let's view our data, and this is empty. So this is how this delete commands work. So these are the main 3 manipulation languages that we have learned in the today's class. In the previous upcoming tutorials, we will be learning about the data query language, how you can search a particular kind of data from a database and other kind of things. And trust me, this is the most interesting part of our tutorial series. So stay tuned for this. So thank you viewers for watching this tutorial.